show you how to make these rotten cupcakes. This is what we'll need to make our rotten cupcakes. You'll need some frosting. You can use the ready-made type if you want, and you can use any color you want. We'll need some chocolate cookies, some wafer cookies, or chocolate graham crackers are also good. Some candy worms, some assorted licorice and yucky looking things, and of course the cupcakes. Okay, first we're going to ice our cupcakes and just put a quick coating of icing on that. Next I'm going to crush up my chocolate cookies. I'm going to place it into a plastic bag like this and just use something hard like a can or rolling pin to crush it up. And we want to crush it up so it looks like dirt. Okay, and then just pour your crumbs into a bowl like that, and that looks like dirt. Now you want to take your cupcake and just dip it into the dirt. Oops, we have a piece that wasn't done. Dip it into the dirt like that. And then you're going to decorate with the worms. I like to stick a worm right in as if it's coming out of a hole in the cupcake. Just push that worm in there like that, and then swirl them on the cupcake.